Module 32, Report Header and Footer. Another free lesson to help you become a better coder. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Your continued support helps make these videos possible. And as always, I thank you all for watching this video. In this video, we are going to add a reusable report header and footer. In addition, we are going to add skeleton reports for project, activity, customer, and invoice. There is no data, just a skeleton. Once completed, the report will display the title and filters according to the report type. Let's see how I accomplish this. Good morning. All right, it's 6:11. Let's continue with our report. Let's continue with our project management reporting. Let's go to project management. We are going to make a copy of this latest one. I did this one 4 days ago, so let's see what we can do here. Let's call this one 32. Module 32, report part 3. Report part 3. Let's see what we're gonna do here. Yeah, let's take a look at what we did last time. Take a look at what we did last time. All right, report. Last time we did this right here. All right, we can select that. Yep, you can select that. This name could be, the column could be a little less, but all right, you can fix that. And we also did this color right here, I think. Yeah. Yep, we also did see customer jives with this customer color. So that's good. We got zip code and they're ordered. We got state and they're ordered. Activity, we got employee. Activity type, activity date. Good. And project by customer or by date range. All right, so that's what we did last time. We did report options. What I want to do today, we're going to start on the report. We're going to start on the skeleton report. Skeleton report. I'm thinking here. A skeleton report. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do a skeleton report. Skeleton report. I'm thinking here what we're gonna do here. Yeah, let's do this. Let's do it. We're gonna do a header. All right. So I'm gonna get rid of the I'm going to get rid of the header. Get rid of the header. Oops, hold on. Get rid of header. Try that again. Yeah. Oh, page header. Get rid of page header. Alright, we just have the details. And this header, this header will have the image. See how we're gonna dress this up. See how we're gonna dress this up. I'm thinking here. What I want to do is have the report name on the right hand side here. So I'm going to put this guy right about 8, alright, because this is 8.5 by 11 page paper. So let's add a label. No, let's add a control box control here, text box. And that text box will go right about there and to get rid of the label. We are going to make this back style transparent. Let's see. How about the font size 16, right alignment, weight bold, let's see, so we got a right 16 size, right alignment, weight bold. That's good. That's good right there. We need to have, let me show you what we're gonna need. Let's create a, I'm thinking here, let's create a query called report header footer. Let's we're gonna need a company information, which has the company name, address, slogan, and logo image path. And I want to see this US court. So what I want to do here, I want to add a couple more address fields in this table. Let's do that. So we got address here. How about city? And how about state, province? Now that we're getting nitty-gritty with the information, and this one will be a zip code. I am going to move this to the slogan and the bottom here to there. Save that, and let's do that. Let's update this information here. So we're gonna update our class object. Company, select, copy. You know what, I keep forgetting I need to open up the back here, right here, company. I made a copy of that guy, so I'm gonna all the way here, delete that and replace the one I made a copy. And I think right here we're gonna copy this stuff right here to get ID to there, and then get rid of this bottom one. Oops. Save that. We're not gonna save this guy. We're not gonna save that guy just yet. Just save the. All right. So now, let's go to. Let's go make the. Let's grab this. The module now. Company. Grab the right hand side. Copy. We can close that out now. Back code behind, come to the company DB access. Be careful here, be careful here. Be careful here. Okay, good. We didn't do anything here. We just added this guy, so we'll go ahead. We are safe. We can replace all these three functions because we got a new one with the city, state, province, and zip code. Good. Again, Control S, and do not save the query and report. We're not done with that guy yet. Now let's go to the company right here. Go to design. Let's see right here. We're gonna add more fields in here. Gonna push that guy down and select this guy, copy, paste. One more there. Push that guy back up. That guy back up. There. All right. That looks good right there. We just need to rename those guys appropriately. So this will be city. That will be text city, txt. So this address, it will be on the what is this? Label error. Okay. So we're gonna do LBL error city. We're gonna be doing the that's the state. We're gonna add this guy to the report. That's the reason why we're doing this. State, province. So that this guy will be showing on the report. Error, state, province. And then lastly, this one is zip code. All right, you can go ahead and add the telephone and facsimile, and whatever you want to add in here. All right, pertaining to the company. Zip code. All right. So that's what we have. We're not going to validate this guy. Alright, we're just gonna do as is. Okay. Let's go to code behind. We need to go to the save function right here and make sure we put that guy in that city equals to NC, because we're not validating this guy. We want to make sure that we have some value in there. If it's empty, then it's null. All right, in a text control, if it's empty, it's null. All right, just remember that. If it's empty, it's null. So make sure you do this. Zip code. Yep. Just remember, if it's empty, it's null on the text boxes. All right, Control S. Again, don't save the query and report. We're not done with them yet. That's that. We're done with that. Okay, now we can close that form and back to our query. I'm gonna get rid of that and get a new one in there. The new one will have the address. You see that we got city, state right there. All right, so what we want, I'll go ahead and grab everybody here. In addition, all right, I'll go ahead and save this one now. I'm gonna call this guy how about reporting company? You can name whatever you want. Oops, I was about to copy my. It's a habit, you know, when you start writing Pan, it begins with my last name. So yeah, anyways, all right, we're almost done with that. But what I want to show you here, let's jump back to the code behind. All right, I know you are cha-cha-chaing with me. Let's go to reporting right here. You see we got a search, that's universal. Got SQL statement, that's also universal. We got this global function, get number of brackets there. You see there? That's good. What we want to add here is yeah, let's add begin date, end date. This would be all. This will be the date, the report date. All right, begin date as date, end date as date. As a matter of fact, I want to get date in onto its own line. Thinking out loud. How about this one is report date? No. How about report title as string? Get rid of that. And we can call this guy anywhere. I think that's good right there. That is good right there. You can add attribute, just the property, just like we did with the search text there. But I'm gonna go easy with this one. Oh, coffee, wow, it's hot, it's good. So I'm gonna go easy with this one. What I want to do here, I can just say to be able to grab information in the SQL. I think I showed you this way back when, several months ago. I want to say function get date range, function get date range, and then we are going to find out if this guy is null or not null. If not is null. We just need to find out the end date. Then else. So if it's null, all we have to do is if that guy is null, all we have to do is this would be a string. Get date range equals date else. So, and then we want to convert this guy to string. Else, we want to say get date range equals begin from begin date to end date. That will be our date range. And instead of just doing this, if we just do that, we can do this date like so. That will make it a string too. So it's either a date range or a date, or will be today's date. That's today's date. So if this end date is set and begin date is set, then it's going to jump to here. Otherwise, it's going to grab today's date. That's how that looks like. All right. We also need a function to get report title. So report title get report title. Get report title as string. Here again, if not report title, if not it's null. My bad. It's null. Then get report title equals report title. And we're going to default this report title. This is default. No report title. That's default. So by default, that's what it's going to be. Oh, get report. My bad there. So by default, that's what it's going to be. No report title. Otherwise, what happened there? Oh, title. That's better. Yeah. Otherwise, the title will be whatever we set. Okay. So now, Control S. Now we can save this reporting. All right. Now we can go back to the query. Now we can say. We can also add date range get date range. If you come in get date range like so, and then right here we can say report title get report title, and that will work right there. All right, save. All right, we're gonna test that out. Okay. Oh, forgot. Did we give it a name? Did we give it a name? Company, reporting company, right? Okay, good. Reporting company. So we can come over here and select reporting company. Query reporting company right there. And here we're going to say control source right here. Report title. And then we're going to add another. We are going to add another we are going to add yeah, we'll go ahead and add this guy in here. Let's see how this one looks like. What this one looks like. This will be the date right here. Gonna make that align right as well, and backstyle transparent. Let's save this guy call RPT report header, and I'm going to change this control to date range. Copy that and push that date range name up there. I think we need to, yeah, okay. Alright, so now I want to tweak more on the get date range right here. Say not is null. I want to get rid of that. Alright. So get date range could be empty, you see. If we don't set anything, it's going to be empty, because our report may or may not have the date, and that's why I took that out. Otherwise it's going to say today's date. Yeah, otherwise it's going to be display today's date. Yeah, let's, you know what, let's add some more stuff. Now that I'm thinking, how about report title? How about report I'm thinking out loud. Report filter, because we use different options. We can get fancy with this, by the way. As string, and then we can say the same thing here. And I'll show you why we did this. Copy, paste, and then I'm gonna copy this report filter here. Copy, there. Oh, I should have paste that one. See how we did that? So similar to this, except this is going to define what we select. All right. So now we can come to our reporting company here, and here we can add all report filter get report filter. You gotta add that parentheses behind there, alright? If you don't, it's not gonna recognize it. Right here. Let's zoom in there. These right here will be date range here. So I wanna make sure I get it correctly. Get date range. Get date range. Alright, so we got 3 items on the report that we're going to be reporting. So we can change this guy. Before we change that guy, copy, push that guy down, select this guy, paste that guy, and move him over. And this guy will be report filter, copy, and this guy will be the date. I'm gonna move this booger to the left just a tad here, away from the sidewalls here. I think that's what we need for now. Alright, so I'm gonna push this guy up right about there so far, and I'm gonna expand this guy out just a tad. Save. And close that out. We are now going to make the footer, copy. We're gonna call this report footer. You see how fancy we are getting now? Now let's open up the footer. I'm gonna get rid of this guy. These are okay right here. I'm gonna make that about the same width, and maybe move him right into the middle here, push him up a little bit, right there. I think that looks good. Other than we gotta make this guy alignment to center. I think you're guessing where we are going now. That will be our addresses, bottom address. Let's copy that and paste that. So here we're gonna say the control source right here. We're gonna say address. You see there? City. Oh, right here we're gonna dress it up a little bit here. Here we're gonna say equal city and comma space and state province. See that? And then I'm gonna add a space there and zip code, just like that. And this one will be all How about slogan? Oh, by the way, let's give this guy a name. City state. Let's call this guy city state province. And this guy right here, let's make that guy a logo, slogan. There you go, slogan. And make him bold. B. And maybe 14. And last but not least, we are going to add a line. Give me a line. How do you add a line here? Where is that line? Give me the line. So there. Whew. I'm gonna add a line using that line as my draw. You see there? And then you can make this guy hairline, or how about 1 point? Let's do 1 point. All right, and push this guy up. See where I'm getting with this? See where I'm going with this? I am going right there. Good, we got a footer. We got a header and a footer. All right. So now let's create a, how about project? Oops, I think I hit the wrong one. Yeah, right here. How about create a report design? And we are going to move this header right here into here. See where I'm getting at? Wow, that guy selected. I want to make sure that, see how border style here, make sure that guy is transparent. All right, we don't want to see any funny stuff in there, and we need to make sure this guy is pushed all the way up. Okay, all the way to the left, all the way to the top, and then close that guy out. And that's all you have to do for that guy. All right, we're gonna name this guy project. This will be all skeletal. This will be all skeletal, and this right here you can just swing this guy like so. All right, we don't have the record source yet, not yet. And now let's add a footer in here. Ooh, you know what? We forgot to get rid of the label on that sub report. Again, change this guy to transparent. All right, make sure you change that to transparent now, and push this guy to there, to top, left and top, and you know what, let's go back up there. There is a label on this guy that we need to get rid of. You see there, this little line right there, that's a label right there. See there, we got to get rid of that. That's a label. Get rid of that. Forgot about that. No wonder you couldn't push all the way up. There you go. All right, that looks good right there. Save. Okay, let's test it out. We are going to test that out. Now go to the form, report options. We're going to test this out, mister. We're going to test the view. How about test the view? So double click on this, go to report option form, select the view, and we're going to use the click event here. We're going to test this booger out. I'm going to grab let's grab this guy. This guy seems to be real short here. Copy. We're gonna grab this guy and pop it into the view just like that. And we don't need anything here. We don't need anything here. Nothing there either. And how about do command open report, and I'm just gonna type in RPT project. See how I do that? Project, just like that. I just want to see what it is. I just want to see what it is. Now before I get there, let me see here. Hold on. Hold your horses. In my opening here, you see how we set the report name right here? Hold on. What did we set our report name? Oh, you see how we set report name right here? I'm going to copy that right there. Actually, nope. We're going to have to create our own. So what we need to do here, we want to say reporting, report title equals project. And then in the option right here, the filter right here, you see here, filter right here, if it's case 1, we want to say report filter equals by customer. You see there? Else we want to say reporting end date equals, hold on, hold your horses, we don't want that right there. You see how we said this guy right here? Hold on, I am just all over the place here. Well, we need to validate. All right, we have to validate. All right, thinking out loud. This is just in this filter here, it's just turning on and off the options, but it doesn't mean that. See how we default this guy to the date here, to today's date, and back up 7 days, but it doesn't mean that they're going to use this date. They could back this guy up to whatever date. All right, so therefore we cannot set the our report filter there. But what we could do, we could say, thinking out loud, yeah, let's try that for now. All right, like say we're just playing with this validate entry. Let's make this guy function. Let's make this guy how about options validated as booleans, and then now we can grab this options right here. These are all options here. So I'm gonna grab this guy because that is the options, right, which is a filter. So I'm gonna get rid of this. I'm gonna get rid of this. Am I going too fast? Bear with me. We'll get this thing done, by the way. Alright, so programming, this is how we program. We kind of think and find the best way to come up with a solution. So now if it's a project and look, we say, hey, is it a oh, right here. Oh, we added that guy in there. So you know what, let's go grab that guy and change that guy. We're gonna take that guy out. We were thinking about this one right here. So that's all. Yeah, that's how that. Yeah. So get rid of that. Remember, this is the original one right here. Okay, this filter right here. Make sure you take that, whatever we try to set there out. But we're gonna make a new one right here. So the new one, this is the validated. All right. So if it's case 1, we just want to say that. And if it's case 2, we don't want to preset. All right. We don't want to preset, or we don't want to set anything here. We just want to say reporting begin date. Oops. Equals. You see how we're doing there? And then report the end date equals. That's all we want to do. All right. If it's so there are two options. There are two filters. All right. Either by customer or by date range. Okay. And let's go on with this guy. So if this guy is, we want reporting, report filter equals by employee. You see that? Because we know it's employee here. And then we just get that guy, get rid of that guy. And I'm going to save my typing. I'm going to copy that. And otherwise it's going to say by activity type. Get rid of that. Otherwise it's going to look like this. See that? Otherwise it's going to look like this. Alright, otherwise it's going to look like that. And same here, I'm just going to copy this guy right here. Copy. Paste this guy here. Oh, this is zip code. Remember that. This is zip code here. Ooh. Hold on. Hold your horses. Zip code. And then get rid of this. And this one is state. Come on. There. Just like that. Here is by invoice number. Invoice number. And then this one's by project. You see how we are changing our default? Now, one thing that we need to do here, I wonder if we could, we want to be able to empty this guy, you see. See this right here, begin date, end date. If we make this guy a string, we can empty this guy. I don't think we can make a date empty. I don't think. Let's try that. Yeah, I don't think we can make that guy empty. Reporting. Report title. How about title equals? No, I don't think we can do this, but we'll find out which one. Yeah, this is ideal right here. All right, but I'm not sure if we can. Okay, but we'll see. We'll find out. Obviously, every time you run the report, you want to empty everything out. All right, clear all the stuff, because when you validate, and then you come in here and you set, you see. So here now, if options validated, then so if all checks out, we want to come in here. If all checks out, we want to come in here. All right, so let's test that out. These my barks right here, but we'll find out. Normally you cannot set a date to a null value, but we'll find out. If it goes by fine, I would, yeah, that would be awesome. All right, let's open her up. Display footer holder. Oh, what's going on here? We add something in there. We know we add something in there, right? So let's oh, I know why. We add those 3 items in there. Okay, I know why. We add those 2 items in there, and they are no value. You see, I think I know what they are. Come back in here. Let me show you. Yeah, you just have to be a little quicker when you start doing things like this. When that happens, you know right away when you just did something not right. It's null. Alright? Remember that. So you just have to be really quick when you start debugging. Alright? Those guys are null value. And that's what you have to do. Alright? We just add this, well, we add this guy, not just a few minutes ago. We added these 3 fields, but we never updated it. So therefore, these guys are null values. That's why. Let me show you. I'm gonna put a stop right here and say continue right here. Okay, let's F8. Let's what's going on. Huh. Company doesn't exist. Oh, exists by ID. Wow. Hold on. What else does it want? Me. What else does it want? Company. Me. Company. What is this? Main navigation. Oh, I think I know what it is. You know what? I think we deleted. Oh, yeah, I think I know what. I'm just trying to look back why we add a function called company exists. That's the default company. Okay. All right, so let's stop that. Let's close it out. Save. Yep. I think I know what it is. I think we deleted our function called company exists. That's the default company. Yeah, Jack. Okay. if you follow me this far, you have done exactly what I did, which is fine. It's part of programming. I'm going to get rid of that. We have a default function. I thought we didn't. Let's see. Delete. Yeah, you know what? I'm going to copy this guy. Copy. And then, yeah, we had, I think we had default company without by ID, like so. Let me show you. There. And then without this guy. Now that I'm thinking. Alright. And then without this guy. Alright. So that's how we did. I think we did. I'm not sure what we did, but that will get our default value. Alright. Yeah, let's copy that. This will, yeah, that, I think that's what we had earlier. And we just did the create object and paste it over. No harm done. We know what we're doing. No harm done. We like debugging, don't we? Alright, that's that. Let's try it. Let's try it again. Whew. Yeah, that's better. You see that? That comes back. Yeah, we had a default stuff in there. Alright, let's log in. We want to see the Skeletor report. Yeah. We want to see the Skeletor report. Let's go to report. This right here, if we select one of these, it's going to open up. What did I say? Did I tell you that we couldn't select, we couldn't set that to a null value? I knew that. Yeah. We gotta find a way to fix that. Obviously, we want to clear the previous report title. That's why. Yeah, you know what? Let's do that. With, you know, programmers, you just have to do what you need to do. And all right, so I'm gonna come in here in the reporting right here. I'm gonna change this begin date, end date to string. I'm gonna show you how fancy we can be. That's it. Save. That's all we need to do. And we'll come over here. Now we can just do this. That will be fine. Alright, that will be fine. Yeah, you can set stuff to null. If you notice, when we've been coding these guys in this class module, watch. On the bottom here, you see there? That's called empty. That's called empty, but not null. Alright, even the date is something, you see. Even date is something. So that's why I knew that was not going to be the case. But anyways, that will work right there. Like I said, we'll do whatever it takes to get our job done. All right, let's continue. You know what? There's something here. I bet you. I think I know what it is. Something is open in the back. No. Okay. Let's follow through with this. Oh, duh. We never said yes. So here we want to say duh, false. And then here we want to say true. Alright. We want to make sure it falls through one of these guys. Falls through. It has to go through. Otherwise, it's going to jump. Oh, true. All right. If it doesn't come through in here, then something's not right. So we wanna make sure that all goes well in here. You see there? That's why we're doing this. So if all goes well, it will fall into one of these cases. All right. Now, if you do it down here, because we may or may not go in there correctly, you see. So you have to go through each case, and if it passes each case, it will say true. All right. Save. All right, let's try that again. I bet you something is open here. That's what I thought. All right, let's try that again. Open, view. It opens up, but there. Oh, it's trying to print, but cancel printing. You know why? There it is. There. It's trying to print. I know why. So this is called normal printing. All right. If you put comma here and say preview, view preview right here, that will fix it. All right. That will fix it. All right. Let's try that again. I wonder if that report is open in the back. Okay. I want to make sure that's, yeah. Let's try that again. Where did you go? I don't see you. Okay. Yeah, it opened. You see, it opened. All right, so I'm gonna fix this up. I noticed all this stuff that was right in here. This is good right here. This is good. That is good. Yeah, we need to fix something here. From to, you see how from to right there. Okay, good. So it's been out something, which is good. Not there. Let's go to form report header. I see something is right here. See control right here. What I want to do here, I want to fix the reporting date here. Get date range right here. Yeah, now it's not going to be null. All right, it's going to be something. So remember, we gotta fix this guy. So now it's not gonna be null, it's gonna be something. All right, we can say not empty now. Similarly is there. Similarly, this guy right here, right there, that will be it. So we gotta fix that. All right, good so far. What do I want to do here? You see this? We gotta make sure make this guy pop up and model. See this model. See this guy right here? And that's the reason why it pops up in the behind the screen. All right, we want it to pop up, but model. All right. Okay, save, close. Okay, let's take a look. Mister, where are you? It's there. We just can't see it. We know it's there. You see that? We know it's there. I still don't like this border right here. Let's fix that. Let's fix that. Let's fix that. report header. So what happened here? Select all three of them, and oh, there you go, border design. That's why the transparent. Save. You notice it doesn't come up to the front. So what I want to do here, I'm going to close that out. Go to the right here. We're going to open this guy up, and we're going to say do command close form me name. So if the report is valid, if it's open, we want to close this guy. I want to see if this guy pops up to the front. All right, I want to see if this guy pops up to the front. Let's try that. We got to be able to see the report, otherwise that makes no difference. How come it doesn't have to the front? See there? This should be a pop-up. Why is it not a pop-up? Why is it not a pop-up? Oh, I bet you we did the report header pop-up. No wonder. No wonder. You see there? I think I know what happened there. So make sure the report project right here is pop-up, and model is pop-up. Model is yes, yes. All right. See this? Yes, yes. I think I know what happened there. What happened here? Let me go back to the header right here. We made this guy a pop-up. That's why. Let's make that no. We made the wrong one. The header is just a header. All right. But the report right here, this guy, that was the guy that we wanted to be a pop-up. All right. Okay. Whew. All right. Now it should pop up for us. Pop me up. That's better. You see there? And we need to fix the bottom here. Okay. You see there? And it says by customer. You see there? What if we change that to by date range and leave that as that? See how do you get no filter but by date range? You see there? So that's pretty nifty. That's pretty nifty. I want to fix the footer now. Now that we got the header fixed, we want to fix the footer. All we need to do is make sure this solid here, right here, transparent. Save. All right, close it, and let's try it again. Let's go ahead and do that. That looks good right there. Close. That looks pretty good right there. See there? Pretty good. So it's a project report by date range. Now, if we close this, all right, and make a copy of this guy, we'll call this report. What do we have? Activity, and then paste. What do we have? Invoice. What else do we have? What else do we have? Tell me. Customer. Paste. Report. Customer. I think I misspelled this report here. RPT. Customer. See there? Now we can copy this guy. As a matter of fact, As a matter of fact, I'm gonna. Yeah, remember we're gonna. We're gonna go right down there, and then copy this guy, paste it there, paste it there, paste it there, and we'll call this invoice, we'll call this customer, and we'll call this activity, and then we'll change this guy to activity, we'll change this guy to customer, just like that. Now let's see what this guy looks like. Invoice, see that? Invoice by invoice number, invoice by invoice number. How about project? Invoice by project, you see there? Invoice by project. How about customer? Customer by zip code, you see there? Oh, wrong one, close. Let's check out by state, province. By state, you see there? Customer by state. See, that is a trick that you can perform, alright? By employee, activity by employee. How about by activity type? Activity by activity type, you see there? You see there? Now if you can't see, I'm going to make it a little bigger so you can see. Look at that, by activity type, you see there? So that's how you, how about by date range? How about by date range? Look, make this guy big so you can see. Activity, no filter, but by filter by date range. You see there? Wow. No report filter. We gotta fix that. But anyways, but this is the date. That's the date. Okay. So that's it. That's what we came to do. We did quite a bit here to get this guy going. Alright. But you can see the dilemma. Well, not the dilemma. You can see the process that I go about getting this guy working. Alright. We had to add a couple of things in there. Okay. So let me revamp. It took a little more than an hour to get this guy going. First thing that we came in, all right. I needed to create the header and report. All right. We came in with empty-minded. Well, maybe with open-minded, and finding ways to make this guy universal, so that all reports and sub-reports will be reusable. All right, we want to, in programming, if you can make one function and it can be used throughout the project, that's your goal. We call that reusable functions. All right. Similarly, the forms and subforms and queries, these are all reusable items. So take advantage of that. Make sure you don't hard code anything unless you absolutely need to. All right. So that's what we did. So I came up with, hey, let's create a header, let's create a footer. So that's what I came up with, is to create a header and a footer, and that all different reports can utilize that same footer and header. All right. But if you notice, this footer relies on the company item. All right. So I had to create this guy right here, reporting company. All right. All it is just get the company record and the general attributes that we need to display onto the report. You see there, these two items. This is how you get that stuff in there by using these functions. All right, these global functions: get date range, get report title, get report filter, and you can name whatever you can create, and that's how that works. All right, and the footer, all it is just display the address. That's what we did. All right, now it took a while because we had to recreate the class object and the module, recreate the module, which that's no biggie. All right, other than that we accidentally deleted the default. We accidentally deleted the default customer function, company function, this guy right here. All right, and that barked at us. So all we had to do was just come back and plug it back in, and all is well. And make sure that these guys, all right, make sure that this guy is no. Now that I said that, I'm gonna copy this guy because I said that. I just remember it's down here too. Oh yeah, okay, yeah, it's down there too. So those guys, just make sure that guy, okay, it's no return whatever, ding ding ding. All right, so that's what we did, and then we had to create two functions. One is to validate the options. All it is just the filter does the option or the date range. All right, and then in this view we say, hey, open up these different reports. That's all it is. Nice and simple. It took a little while, okay. Remember, it took a little while because we came in with open-minded and finding ways to make this guy run right. All right, so there you have it. Reusable forms, header and footer. All right, and also we did a whole bunch of stuff in the report. Let's take a look at it again before we end this session. All right, let's take a look at it again before we end this session. We did this is a good stuff, by the way. So we view it, we know it's report invoice. You see there, it says invoice, and we know that we selected the by invoice number. And the bottom here, you see there, one thing that we didn't do, if you notice, we didn't put the image there. All right, you want me to put an image in there right now? You could. We could. Let's close that out. Let's see if we can put image on that guy. See if we can put an image on that guy. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna close that out. Come over here. You see this? I'm gonna copy this guy right here. It's called image control. See how we're gonna put this guy there. This is the trick. This is tricky. This is not. It's not a trick, but this is tricky because we have to add the directory to it. If you come back in here, if you notice, let me show you what it is here. See this right here picture? See, we gotta add this guy in there, you see, in order to get that guy displayed correctly. We can do that. Let's do it. I'm gonna copy this path right here. Application where I could just easily type it in. All right, so let's go to reporting, and we'll say function get company logo, and then we need to supply the logo name. Alright, so we'll say logo name, logo file name as string, return as string, and then we can say get company logo equals, so we'll say get company logo equals application.currentProject.path and as logo file name. Before we get there, we want to say if as logo file name not null. Well, this guy will always be something, be empty or not empty. So we can do this then, and then we're going to say get company logo equals, like that. I think that will work. What do you think? Now we need to tweak. Yeah, we need to tweak the reporting company right here. And say company logo get company logo, and in there we want to say logo image path. Save. Now we're going to copy this logo right here, copy this guy right here, close, and go to the report header. Paste right there, and then we type in company logo. I think that will work. We'll see how that works. I think that's how that works. Let's take a look. All right, let's take a look. It's a little teeny tiny. Yeah, it's a little teeny tiny. You see that? It's a little teeny tiny. We got a logo, but it's tiny. Look at that. Why is it tiny? Let's take a look. Why is it tiny? We got a logo. Design. You too small. It says zoom. How about stretch? I think stretch. What is, yeah, I think that's or we can make this booger like so. All right. That, yeah, you see what I did there? I did a stretch. See what that stretch works. It just means it's going to stretch to to whatever we made it. See that it got bigger. All right, it got bigger. All right, so that's how you get your logo there, mister. All right, that's how you get your logo there. How about if we do the customer, would the logo show up? Logo shows up. Logo should show up anyway because that is reusable header. All right, so that's how you get your logo going. Well, that is that. That's what we came to do, mister. And in the next video, we are going to continue with this. All right, I know this one is little, yeah, it's well over an hour, but we did a lot of stuff, and you can see the process, the steps I've went through to get these going. And what's so good about the way I do here is that you can reuse all your functions and reuse your queries and reuse your forms or subforms throughout your application regardless. This is because we don't hard code anything in there. All right, no hard coding. Anyways, that's it. That's it. Happy programming. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share, and hit that bell. And also comment below, and if you need help, inbox me. Thanks again.